When you submit a dispute to Equifax regarding an error on your credit report, federal law dictates a specific timeline for the investigation process. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Equifax generally must investigate your dispute within 30 days of receiving it. In standard cases where you file online or by mail using regular documentation, you can expect the investigation to wrap up and results to be sent to you within this 30-day window. Equifax is also required by law to provide you with written notification of the results within 5 business days after the investigation is completed. However, there are specific circumstances where this timeline can be extended. If you file your dispute after receiving your free annual credit report via annualcreditreport.com, Equifax is granted up to 45 days to complete the investigation. Additionally, if you submit supporting documents or additional relevant information midway through the initial 30-day investigation period, Equifax may take an extra 15 days, bringing the total potential window up to 45 days. Once the investigation concludes, if the disputed information is found to be inaccurate, incomplete, or cannot be verified by the data furnisher, Equifax must promptly correct or delete it from your credit file. They will then provide you with a complimentary copy of your updated credit report. If the furnisher updates information, they are also mandated to pass those corrections along to the other major credit bureaus. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.